Since the emergence of Pakistan, the need of an education system having the reflection of rich Islamic traditions and cultural values was required. Such an education was the only hope to transform this nation and lead it towards peace, progress and prosperity. With the advent of 15th century Hijra, the foundation stone of International Islamic University was laid on 11th of November 1980 in the federal capital of Pakistan, Islamabad. Saudi Arabia played an eminent role under the leadership of former King of Saudi Arabia, Shah Faisal bin Abdulaziz, in establishing this institution. Shah Faisal Mosque is a gift of late Saudi king, where university commenced its journey, and even today, this monument of friendship is a symbol of great love and affection between the brethren states. Subsequently, its second campus in H10 was established in 2000, covering an area of 704 acres, which emerged as magnificent architecture and incarnation of Islamic era. International Islamic University Islamabad was established to provide ultimate opportunities to individuals in society for reconstruction of human thoughts based upon the principles of Islam. The idea behind its establishment was also to ensure social, ideological, moral, intellectual, economic, and technological development and upbringing in accordance with the true values, principles, and norms of Islam. In a very short span of time, International Islamic University Islamabad emerged as a trendsetter of magnificent contemporary learning imbued with the characteristics of rich Islamic values that were practiced the world over. Undoubtedly, International Islamic University Islamabad provides the most conducive learning environment for both male and female students, where parents confidently send their children, particularly girls, without any fear. International Islamic University is pursuing the vision of internationalization with the responsibility to be a solution provider to the prevailing challenges of the Muslim world. Its conferences, seminars, dialogues have gathered a variety of Muslim and non-Muslim scholars, religious leaders, researchers and experts to have solutions to eradicate terrorism, disseminate peaceful coexistence, treatment of polio, and dissemination of Islam's message of peace. IIUI's given Payam-e-Pakistan narrative has been accepted across the nation and abroad, with a proof that educational institutions are a weapon to win the future wars. International Islamic University Islamabad is a unique hub of learning, which in its 9 faculties, academies and institutes provides quality education integrated with teachings of Islam to the students of more than 40 countries. The university possesses a distinction of having an exclusive campus for female students with enrollment of nearly 15,000 students. Having more than 30,000 students, including 2,000 foreign students, the university aims at highlighting and defining the relevance of Islam in changing modern times to the whole human life, thought and action. IIUI is focused on establishing new faculties, departments, centers of excellence to ensure diversification, and establishment of Al-Farabi Research Complex at New Campus has added more pace in its progress and vision of internationalization, which have 3 dedicated centers, including Business Incubation Center, Suleiman bin Abdullah Abul Khail Center for Interdisciplinary Research in Basic Sciences, and Center for Advanced Electronics and Photovoltaic Engineering.
Universities in Pakistan are evolving, and alhamdulillah, now our universities are competing at the global level. Here in our university, in addition to the best teaching learning processes that we have adopted, we are now moving on to the outcome-based education so that we prepare graduates, best graduates, competitive graduates for the market. We offer every opportunity to our students here on the campus to become successful entrepreneurs so that they not only find the jobs for themselves, but find the jobs for 100 or 200 other youth in this country. And this is going to be the most successful model and the only model which can work here in Pakistan, that is to produce successful entrepreneurs in the universities and then send them to the society.
The university provides a peaceful milieu to the young minds, while its Islamic traditions-based unique architectural design, air-conditioned lecture rooms, and fully equipped labs have created an ideal environment for nurturing the talented minds of the Ummah. In addition, a fleet of around 70 buses provides a comfortable transport facility to the male and female students separately. The university's Dawa Academy, Sharia Academy, Islamic Research Institute, and Iqbal Institute for Research and Dialogue are playing a vital role in research and dialogue to find answers of significant issues of the Ummah. International Islamic University, to pay tribute to renowned world leaders, has conferred degrees on former President of South Africa Nelson Mandela, former Malaysian Prime Minister Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, Dato Seri Abdullah Haji Ahmad Badawi, Prince Hassan bin Talal of Jordan, and Ekmeluddin Ehsanoglu of Turkey, and in its 9th IIUI convocation, an honorary degree has been conferred upon King Abdullah bin Abdulaziz Al Saud of Saudi Arabia. Today, International Islamic University has become a role model, striving for the Islamic Renaissance that is imparting educational excellence among the students of different caste and creed of the world, and is preparing leaders for tomorrow.
أيضا الجامعة تسعى من خلال تحقيقها لرسالتها إلى إعداد جيل صالح متعلم متسلح بسلاح العلم النافع، متسلح بسلاح المعرفة، وجامع بين الأصالة والمعاصرة، فهو مؤمن مسلم قوي معتز بدينه وإسلامه، كما أنه معتز بما لديه من علم، سواء كان علما دينيا أو علما دنيويا معين على العلوم الشرعية. فالمؤمن القوي خير وأحب إلى الله وفي كل خير، وهذا ما نجده الحمد لله في طلابنا وطالباتنا، وهذا ما تسعى الجامعة إلى تحقيقه. فنحن نسعى إلى إعداد جيل صالح متسلح بسلاح العلم قوي منتج يبذل بعيد كل البعد عن الأفكار الضالة والآراء الهدامة، وعن الأمور التي تعوق مسيرته ومسيرة مجتمعه ومسيرة دولته. فالجودة شعار
International Islamic University Islamabad. Quality education for nations and generations.